brand. I'm at the Santa Barbara International Film Festival for the poster unveiling. This is 2024 in Santa Barbara, California. Come follow me.
What an exciting morning as the poster was unveiled for the 39th Santa Barbara International Film Festival. The film festival starts February 7th and goes through the 17th. Every year, there's a poster unveiling that promotes the film festival. It's held at the Sullivan and Goss Gallery in downtown Santa Barbara. All the press comes out for the poster unveiling. The room was packed with photographers, media, students who are doing internships and are studying film. They come too. Then the artist and Roger Durling, the director, unveil the poster for the year. I talked to the artist because I wanted to understand her beautiful piece of art and what that meant. It was full of symbolism. She said it was in the style of Matisse.
Well, the idea has to do with the magic of film. How when you come to the theater and you sit down, your head, your mind just kind of goes away and you're open to all kinds of ideas.
And it was fun to ask the director, Roger Durling, about it as well.
I always feel that the poster is like the window dressing, the thing that lures the audience in, and this is a doozy. This is definitely, it talks about imagination, it talks about film, and it talks about Santa Barbara.
The Santa Barbara International Film Festival pulls in headliners like Bradley Cooper, Robert Downey Jr., Mark Ruffalo, Jeffrey Wright, and many more who walk down the red carpet. It's a whole lot of fun. The Santa Barbara International Film Festival also has an educational program for students of all ages that want a career in film and media. Come join me at the 39th Santa Barbara International Film Festival. I'll see you there.